father, mother, brother, sister, grandfather, grandmother, husband, wife, son, daughter, older brother, younger brother, older sister, younger sister, uncle, aunt, cousin, cousin, grandson, granddaughter, uncles, aunts, siblings. This is my father. This is my mother. I have one brother and one sister. The older brother is studying at university. I love playing with my younger sister. My grandmother is very nice. I have 2 uncles and 2 aunts. The younger daughter has a birthday party tomorrow. I live with my parents and siblings. Grandfather and grandmother live in the countryside.